I'll sit by Mom. You sit by me. It's our neighbor, Kevin.
Phone away. What are you doing?
Hey, neighbor! Can you see me? That is a very high-tech doorbell you got there. Very 2001. Space Odyssey, not the year.
I'm so sorry. It's our neighbor.
Hey, I brought back all your stuff I ever borrowed from you. All of it. Yeah, you know what? You just stay right there. I'll show it to you, all right? Remember this? That was fun, wasn't it? Thanks for that. I know I borrowed this to make them muffins, but it is fantastic at sifting through the cat litter. I'll get you a new one. Hey, is this your house key? You know what? I'll just let myself in. Stop!
Hey, sermon's up there, mister. I'm trying to learn about my Savior's birth.
Resurrection.
Whatever.
Hey, you go to church? Why didn't you just invite me?
Daddy, why didn't you invite Kevin to church?
Oh, please, like you invited your neighbors to church. Hey, welcome. Glad y'all are here. Happy Easter. It's really not that difficult.
Hey, can I keep your nunchucks?